Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Smash Our Stash. And for Smash Our Stash, it's a collaboration put on by Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. And each month there's a theme and you're supposed to dig into your stash and find those items and use it up. And this month is loose sheets. And I went and started digging into my loose sheets of school paper, and I was thinking, I'll make a few cards. And what I did was I made 40 card fronts, essentially, not bases. They're not on like the white cardstock yet, but I have 40 cards here. This one has a blue cardstock layer, so some are exactly the same, some are different. And I just chopped and chopped and chopped. Some I inked the edges, some I rounded the corners. I am all ready to start making cards with these. And I thought, well, maybe I'll make them now. This one has a little gold sticker here and here to add some pizzazz. But I am ready for assembly line cards. I make a giant batch each spring. If you've watched my channel, you've seen them for school office staff. And I need about 80. I have 6 cards done from a different video, but this gives me 40 bases. And I thought about getting the stuff out. I mean, I did this one, I put a wood chip on, and this one I put a little schools out. I thought about getting the stuff out and starting to decorate these, but what I decided to do was take these exactly as they are because this paper was pre-embossed. It's like shiny, and keep them super, super flat and stacked up. Probably leave them there for at least a couple weeks, and then take them out in a giant batch and go for it. So I made a huge mess in my craft room. I also went through, I may have touched every random loose sheet in my room, many iris cases condensed into fewer iris cases, and I gave some away. I chopped up a ton, and this was paper that, I had moved it around several times in my room. It was getting kind of beat up, so Beth got me chopping. These will be really fun and inspirational when it's go time. So thanks so much, Beth. 40. At first I felt like, I should decorate them to show you for the video, but that's pretty impressive. I don't know. I can't think of a weekend where I sat down and made 40 card fronts recently. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out the other collaborators. I'm sure you're going to get all sorts of inspiration. With loose sheets of paper, it could be anything. You could see scrapbook pages, you could see mini albums, because you're not limited to small pieces of paper, right? Lots of 12 by 12, I bet. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Be sure to follow the hashtag down below to find all the other videos. Bye-bye.